Hello everybody, it's Uncle B says your road trip, your life, walk with Uncle B. Everybody, we are in Greece. And I told you that sometimes I can take you to different places. Well, right now I'm able to take you to Greece. So Shannon and I are in Greece. We are having the time of our lives. And I'm going to do some walking home from Greece. Hopefully you're going to walk it home with me. So we're just going to start off a little 15-minute walk. And you can do this right in your living room, you can do it in your bedroom, wherever you're at home, or even in Greece. We can even do it in Greece. So let's do a wake up and walk right now from the Walk at Home. I know I say that it's your road trip, your life. People can get in your car and out of your car, but basically it's you driving the car and you have to drive your own life. But sometimes when those people get in your car and out of your car, they take you to different places. Like these two that ended up convincing me to come to Greece. So let's do a wake up and walk right now with Selena from the Walk at Home app.
Hey everybody, we are so excited to take you through a great 1 mile workout today. Here we go, guys.
With this great background behind us, let's walk.
Walk. So we are in the warm-up walk right now. We're going to go through all of our core basic moves that you will see throughout this entire 1 mile workout. This is our first one. You know how to do it. All right, guys, we're going into our second move. It's called the side steps. You know them. In 4, 3, 1, here we go. Out together, out together. So we are just warming up the body here. We are warming up all of the muscles. We are getting juice to our joints to help us with that full range of motion throughout the rest of this workout.
A great way to start the day, a great way to finish the day. The main point is make sure you do it. Your road trip, your life.
Nice job, guys.
You take your first step.
Another move you'll see
the first steps with me.
Smile are our kicks.
Right?
Gentle kicks.
And all you're doing is walking. It's so easy.
3, 2, 1. Bring those legs up here, guys. Nice. Tummies are tucked. We are standing tall and proud.
The tummy is
Posture is very important. Let's do 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back to that walk. Walk, 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 walk. We're not going to pick up our knees for the knee lift. We'll do it together. Here we go. Follow me, guys. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring those knees up. Knee up, knee up. Ooh, our glutes are already getting hot in here. Let's do 1 more set, guys. Keep it going. 4 more.
Woo. Feel it. Feel it?
1.
It's
Bring
starting.
it back to that walk. Are you guys
Right
ready
back
to
to
move?
the walk.
All right, guys. What we're going to do next is move up, and then we're going to take it back. Here we go. In 4, 3, 2, 1. So take it up and take it back. That's nice, guys. Here we go. Last time. Now stay right here. Me in the middle. Walk, walk. Beautiful
You're just
job.
walking.
I want you
Side
to
to
walk
side.
wide
No.
here for some kickbacks. We love our kickbacks here.
Oh yeah.
We'll do it together. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring those heels up. Woo, that feels good. I'm already feeling warm.
It's time for the Uncle B weigh-in. Weigh in with your thoughts.
2,
So I got a little question for you while you're watching today. Leave some comments.
We're warming up that upper body.
I feel a sweat coming.
Me too, Tosh.
Philosophical question for
3, 2,
you.
1.
Do you
Bring it
think
back home. Now, how do you guys feel?
Good so far.
it is better to regret something that you did
And walk. Walk. So you know what that means. The beat
Or
has increased a little bit.
have regrets
so our
of
heart
things
rates
you
are going
didn't
up.
do?
We are now in a fast walk.
So is it better
burn those calories?
to regret
Walk. Walk.
something that you
Keep it
did
going. All right, everybody.
or regret
All I
things
want
that you have
to
not
do
done?
is move the upper
That's our
body.
question for today.
Arms up and down here. Nice. Keep it going. 3, 2, 1. Bring it back to that walk. All right, guys, time for those side steps. But this time, we're gonna sit lower. We're gonna step out wider so we can activate more leg muscles. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Out together, out together. All right, everybody, let's add those arms. Nice. We gotta activate the core, the back, and the chest, as well as
Now
all
remember,
these
if your
big
arms
leg
aren't
muscles.
right, or your legs aren't on, don't worry about it.
4 more, guys.
I don't
4,
care if you're going like this while you're doing
2,
it.
1.
Just as long as you're moving.
Bring it back home. Time for some power kicks. Who's ready? Here we go.
Every
Get right
day.
into it here, guys.
Starts
Don't
with the
even
first
think about
step.
it. Double arm
And this
reach.
could be your first
Reach.
step every day.
Ooh, I feel my
Towards your
core on
goals.
fire.
Towards feeling
Here
better.
we go. Keep it going.
This is it.
One more set coming up.
Walking. Walking.
Woo. 4 more. 4, 3,
Although right now
2,
we're kicking.
1. Bring it back home. All right, guys. Time for some
Missed those
knee
kicks.
lifts
I gotta get
to
back
fire
running
up
now.
that core even more. Go right into it. Woo! This time we are reaching big and pulling down here.
This is
where
great
our
for the abs,
waistlines are talking
everybody.
to us. Oh yeah! Activating those rotators. Woo! Keep it going. One more set. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Bring it back home. Take
All
those
back to the
arms
walk.
Back to the beat.
It's not hard.
Keep it going.
You're gonna sweat a little bit,
Walk.
but it's not hard.
4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Here we go. All right, guys. Are you ready to add some bands to our workout?
And they're gonna
I'm ready
bands,
too.
okay?
All right.
We're not gonna add bands.
Keep it walking.
Well, I'm not gonna add bands.
We want to add some
If you have bands at
resistance.
home,
So
use them.
Tosh is grabbing my
Use
bands.
them.
We got
I don't have
Zuri on
bands
band
with me.
duty. Take
If
them
you
right
need
behind
bands, you
the
can
back.
always get them.
Here we go. 2, 1. A slow chest press here. Push.
But I'm gonna do the presses
Straight
without
out
the
to the
bands.
front. Let's
really,
speed it
just
up right
moving
here.
the
Double
arms.
time. Woo.
While you're walking
That feels good.
is a total benefit.
Nice. Keep it here, guys.
You'll feel it, trust me.
3, 2, 1. Keep it in that walk. Nice job, guys. We're gonna go into a power kick, but we're gonna add the bands. 3, 2, 1. Bring those legs up. We wanna see the bottom of your shoes here. Now reach, reach, reach. Keep it going. Woo. Oh, all
You
the
don't
muscles
have to be
are in motion,
perfect.
Tosh. You know that.
I'm
Feel it.
far from perfect.
This is a full body workout.
But
Let's
I'm
do 4 more
moving.
power kicks. 2,
Move.
1. Nice job, guys. Now take that band out from behind your back. We're gonna bring that band up, stretch it out to the side. Nice. Woo. You know, it's always so good to walk outside, to walk on the treadmill, but this is a different kind of walk. This is a full body walk. Keep it going. Let's do 4 more. 4. This is 3, 2. Last one. Nice. One more move, guys. Get that band back behind the back. We're gonna go into a big side step here. Nice. Here we go, guys. Open and close the arms every time you step out. There we go. Woo. One more set here, everybody.
I can feel my heart rate rising already.
Oh, Tanner, me too.
Yeah, Tanner, me too.
Last set here. 4 more, guys. 4,
How about you guys?
3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah.
Every time you add those arms, I start to sweat.
Here we go. Woo! Catch that beat. You know what
We
that
just had
means?
1,000
We're
steps
in
in,
our
everybody.
top speed. This is our high calorie
Now
walk
we're
right
moving
here.
up. A little faster.
Up 2, back 2. Here we go. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it up, 2, back, 2, up, 2,
like I'm
back.
doing
Now
a
add a
hustle.
boost here. Jog it up 2 and jog it back
There
2.
we go.
Last time here. Woo. Now we're gonna have a little bit of fun. We're gonna take it to a boosted walk. This is our 100 walker style. We're gonna do 100 quick fast steps to the beat. Are you guys ready?
Let's do it.
All right,
Ready,
here
let's
we
go.
go, Tosh. You're gonna be the counter. Woo! Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna do a fast power walk.
So it's kind of a light jog.
We're already on the second step. Ooh! Keep it going, guys.
Keep it going, guys.
We got this.
We can do this
We can
together.
do 100 more. If you could do 10, you could do 100 easily.
You can do 10, you can do 100. You can do 100, you can do 1,000. If you can do this every day, you can do anything you want. Starts off with accomplishing your first thing in the day.
All the calories right here. 8. Our heart rates are so high. That is the goal of this walk.
Your road trip, your
One
life.
more set.
10,
We did it. Oh yeah.
9, 10.
Woo, that was great. Thanks for counting, Tosh.
Such a big calorie burn right there. Wow.
Oh, big calorie burn. We're gonna take our heart rates down a little bit and go into our side step for some recovery right here. Get right into it, guys. But we're still working hard. I want you to step out wider than you've ever stepped out in this workout. Get lower. You're working all those big leg muscles. Go ahead, guys. Pull and reach here. We're gonna transition.
Remember, you're doing this at
into a
home,
skater
right?
Right here. Take it back.
Kids are maybe going to school.
Love that. Let's go.
Woo! Out
You just got back from work?
back.
Need a little thing to
Woo, I'm feeling it. 4 more.
get you motivated.
3, 2, 1. Bring it
Get
back
coffee.
home. Time to move again.
We're gonna do
Back
that.
to
Just
back.
do a little
Army
exercise.
down. Here we go.
It's the best medicine. Exercise is the best medicine. Walking,
1,
the best
take it up.
exercise.
2, back, 2, up, 2, back. Now let's boost it here, guys. Up, 2, back, 2, take it up, 2, back, 2, 2 more sets. Woo! Last time here, guys. Up, 2, back, 2. Keep it here. Big walk in place. Reach those arms. Reach in front, pull them back.
Feel that right away.
You're feeling good. Take them overhead
This
now.
part
Up and down.
Is
Keep it
really,
going.
you can feel it when you do this.
Let's take him out to the side for a change. Push him out. Push him out.
Keeping the body guessing right here.
Oh yeah. Woo. One more set here, guys. 4 more coming up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Big walk.
So anyway.
Right here. Power kicks. Get right into it. Come on, everybody.
Back
Opposite
to what I
arm,
was saying.
opposite leg.
My question of the day.
I feel that.
Is it better to regret something you
Yes,
did
Josh. Last set right
or
here.
regret
Here we
something
go.
you didn't do?
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Now how do
So
you
what's
guys
better when
feel?
it comes to regrets?
That was our top
When it comes
speed.
to regrets, something you
Woo.
did
That
Yeah,
doesn't
we're
mean
good.
or
we're
something you
finished with the
didn't
hard
do
part
in your
yet.
life.
Here we go. We have another fast walk coming at you. Let's catch that beat. There it is.
Put your
Are we all
comments
on the
below
beat? Oh yeah.
for that.
And walk, walk, walk. All right, guys, we are moving again. No matter where
you
you
put
are
it
this
why,
morning,
like,
you can move anything
regret
that's in front of you
something,
out of
why?
the way. The
To
coffee
regret something
table,
you
the
didn't
work
do.
desk.
Why?
Save that meeting for later.
You want to get
Here we go.
personal
We're
and tell
gonna take
us?
it up 4 and travel
You
back
can tell
4.
us too.
4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Up 4, 3, 2,
Wait.
1. Back 4, 3,
Let's do the walks.
2, 1. Now keep it right here, guys. Walk, walk. We're walking in place here. All right, guys. Go ahead and widen that walk. We're going into some mini squats. We're gonna get really low
Oh,
here. They
these are
look
good
like
mini
this.
squats.
Sit, pop up, sit, pop up. There we go. Woo.
So my
Now add that
opinion,
punch across the body.
I think the
Woo.
regret of something you
It's
didn't
sitting
do
and punching.
is
These
worse
are
than the
hard
regret of
power
something
punches.
you've done.
4 more. 4, 3,
And in
2,
my book,
1. Walk.
Uncle B says your road trip, your life.
How about
I talked about that.
fun combo here.
About not
It's gonna
having
look like
regrets.
this. We're first going to go into a double
Regrets
side
for what
step.
you've done
Double
or
side
regrets
step.
for things that you
Add
didn't
the
do.
arms.
But
We're
the
taking
only
it
way
a
to regret
kickback
things
at
that
the
you
end.
didn't do
So it's an out
is to make sure you do them and you steer your car.
Kickback. Woo, that feels so good. They are fun, Josh. Woo, keep it going. One more
back
set
to the
here.
workouts.
Woo. 4 more. 3. This is 2. Last one. Bring it back home. Walk. Walk. Catch that feet here, guys. Take it up. Up. 4 more.
This is the end. We're
Take
getting
it to
there.
the front.
2
Here we
minutes. Let's go, everybody. Give it all you've got. Come on.
Last 4. Now I'm going to grab those bands again. Keep it walking. We're going to grab the bands. We're going to add on more resistance. Don't stop your feet, guys. Walk, walk, walk. Oh yeah, I'm making Tosh work extra hard today.
Getting some sprints
Get right into that side step. Here we go. Let's catch that beat. Now we're going to do a chest press every time you step out. Push, push. Here we go. One more set. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! All right. Now we're gonna do a fun move here. This is gonna be a knee lift where we have to keep our core tight and we gotta keep our chests up.
Core
So
tight.
it looks like this. You guys know how to do the knee lift. Bring those knees up. Here we go. We're meeting the bands and the arms with that knee. Keep those tummies tucked, everybody. This is a great standing crunch move. Here we go. One more set coming up. Woo! 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Woo! I'm feeling good, everybody. Back to single side steps. Here we go. Right here. Get low. Take it back into a skater. Arms are pulling out and bringing them back in. Nice. One more set coming up. Here we go, last set. Let's close it out. Woo! 4
Still
more.
doing skaters.
4, 3, 2, 1.
love
Oh
skating.
man.
That was
Nice
good.
job, everybody. We're throwing those bands away again. Because you know what? You have already made it to the cool down walk. Nice job, everybody. Here we go.
Cool, everybody.
Woo. We're
Now
bringing
listen,
this
we're gonna do the
back
cool
down.
down.
Don't
You have
leave
to do a
yet.
cool down at home
You've
too.
made it through the biggest part of the workout, but we have to make sure we cool down and stretch so we can continue on the rest of our days in a safe manner.
Listen to what she
We're
says.
walking to the beat here.
So
Walk.
so
Walk. Side steps, guys.
important
3,
to cool
2,
down
1.
afterwards.
Here we go.
Don't just stop dead and go grab some water.
This feels
Walk
good.
around a little bit.
Bring those heart rates down.
Make sure your heart rate comes down, and then continue your day. Be safe. Be safe, everybody.
4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back up. Let
did
that
what?
air out, guys. You just did 1 mile. That was so fast. That's 2,000 steps. Great job, everybody.
Job,
Thank you
team.
so much for walking with us, and we'll catch you
work.
next time.
You just did 1 mile. You hear? 1 mile, everybody. 1 mile. Just by getting up
Great
See ya.
work, Todd.
and walking with Uncle B. Uncle B says your road trip, your life. Walk it home with me. And sometimes I'll take you to different places like Greece. How about that? How about that view? How about that pool? I think I'm going right down there right now and jumping into that pool. So the topic was regrets. Is it better to do something you've regretted, or better to have regretted something you didn't do? So I just got done with the workout. Here we are at this beautiful place in Greece. Right? Beautiful home. Say hi. Say hi, Pete. How you doing? And if I leave today without jumping into this pool, I'm going to regret it. So is it better to regret jumping into this ice cold pool because I'm going to freeze my off? Or is it better to regret not doing it? I don't want to have any regrets. All right, ready?
Ready?
Go.
Go.
Uncle B says, your road trip, your life, is it better to regret or to regret what you didn't do? I am not going to regret what I didn't do. It's ice cold, but here we go. Watch, I'm going to hold my nose and everything. Oh my God, it's so cold. I missed it because he was talking. Whoa! 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 Oh, this might turn into something I'm going to regret. You missed the jump.
Wait, it wasn't recording. It was on
You're lying.
play picture.
You're lying.
No, I swear.
Honey,
I must have
can't
changed
try
it.
again.